However, in a time I see this presentation somewhere and I really like the effect that it creates, that it looks like a magazine you are reading, and I say maybe I should create it. Okay, let's start and create it. We add a new slide. In our slide, I download this from the internet. It's Mr.beast logo. I really like him. He is a nice and huge guy. Okay, after that, we need to create this effect. These things are just simply some rectangles, but I'm going to tell you how to align them. Okay, the first important thing is that the size of rectangles are all of them is equal to half of the pictures. Okay, now we create them, we align them like this, in the middle. By this way, we create our rectangles, and after some modifications, we create this all. Now, let me just copy them, bring them here. And we copy this slide, we just hold everything and put them up. And another time copy the slide, hold everything and put them another time up. And select all three and set the transition to morph. It's more easier than you think, but the important thing about this kind of slide is the colors. You need to match the colors for the best view. You see, the colors are in the same type. It's important how to choose these colors. You can choose them from the here. These colors, these columns, each column's one color, or also professional space is here. You can choose from here to here. For example, choose one, choose this one, choose this one. It's up all to you. I hope you learned something. Have a nice time.